top trend for 2026 is, I said it, color. That's it. That's right. Color. And look at me. I'm all over this trend. And this isn't just a trend. This is really about what is design. Design is just about the details, and color is a detail. Okay, we may be thinking, I like white. I want it to be calm and peaceful. There's lots of colors besides white that are calm and peaceful. But if you want to use white, go ahead. Just do it with many colors of white, because it's not just one white, there's lots of white. A number of years ago, I don't know how many years, but let's just say about 8 or 10 years ago, Albania was coming out of its post-communist era, and the mayor of Tirana, which is the capital city of Albania, had one of the highest crime rates. So what the mayor decided to do, Mayor Rama, who was also an artist, decided to paint all these gloomy cement buildings in vibrant rainbow colors. And that single fact alone, that single action alone, contributed to phenomenal decrease in the crime rate in Tirana. It not only reduced the crime, but it lifted the spirits of people in the city. Now, some people say, yeah, that was a superficial fix, but hey, it worked, and it works. It's going to work in your home. Color can lift your mood. It can create the energy that you're looking for. When spring comes and you start seeing all the colors, how do you feel? That's the same thing as putting color in your home. When we have winter come and it's gloomy and dark, the white snow is very pretty, it can quickly become very depressing because it is devoid of color. Colors can make you feel safer. It can give you a cocoon-like feeling. So what color would you pick for your home for 2026? My favorite color is orange. I've not only painted on my walls, but I've also painted it on the ceiling. I have it not just in this room, but I have it on my main hallway upstairs. I love that color, and it makes me feel warm. It makes me feel welcome. And in the gloomy days of winter, I've got this beautiful, vibrant studio that feeds my soul, makes me feel fabulous. So what color would you bring into your home? When we invest in our homes and add our personal tastes and aesthetics into a home, we become way more connected to our space. So painting walls, or cabinets or ceilings in the color that makes you feel great can tie you to your home, can make you feel like it really is your own sanctuary. Now, a lot of people think that blue is a real cool color. It's funny because in the Caribbean, blue is actually considered a warm color. The sky is blue. The ocean is blue. So blue is connected to warmth. Now in the Northeast, we have a feeling that blue is a more of a cool color. So the choice of the color that you like may be impacted by where you're from or where you are currently living. I recently wallpapered a client's white foyer. It was very dull and drab, really lacked any interest or sense of drama, which is what he was looking for his home. Now, that wallpaper was full of color. It did have a black background, but it had greens and reds, yellows, and highlighted with some white. And it dramatically improved the space. Not only did the colors tie to my client's personality and his taste, but it also represented some of the interests he was in. He loved animals and photographing them. And so the wallpaper was a replication of what he does in real life, what his business is. So color can mean not just paint, but it could mean wallpaper. There's lots of places where you can put color. Talked about walls, ceilings, but cabinets or millwork you can paint. You could also bring it in with fabrics in your upholstery selection, painted furniture, fabulous pillows. Another great way of bringing color into your home is, that's right, art. Art can be a window into another world. And by infusing your home full of art, it can mask perhaps those white walls that you currently have. And it allows you to bring some creative expression into your home. So don't forget about putting art on your walls. Another place where you could bring in color, of course, is a carpet. Great opportunity to infuse some color into your home. Now, I would say paint the floors, but that might be going a little bit too far, and you may have been telling your kids don't paint the floors. So you could bring it in with some carpeting. Great way to bring color into your home. And I would say that for 2026, bring some personalization, bring some personality into your room, bring some life and interest into your home, and do that with color. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and stay on because you can catch me on the next video over here.